Hi and welcome back to my channel Stay Fit with Deepika. As you are aware, we're doing this series on Pilates, and in each episode we target a different muscle group. If you are following, you already know that in the last episode we targeted the abdominal muscles, and in this episode we will focus on the muscles in your back. A lot of people suffer from bad posture these days. While sitting and working, they are slouched, and while standing, it is very common to see people hyperarching their lower backs. Both these postural issues are a result of weak muscles supporting your back. If you strengthen these muscles, your posture will be better and your spine will be healthier. So let's train our back and work our way towards a better posture. Lie on your stomach and tuck your chin. Now in this position, push your tailbone down towards the floor. So now when you do that, you can feel your pubic bone pressing against the mat. Maintain that contact and gently pull your rib cage up and your belly button towards your spine. Maintaining this engaged core, now lift both your arms and your legs up. And as you do that, exhale through the mouth. Inhale as you come back down. Let's do 10 repetitions of this. And on the 10th repetition, hold your arms up. Squeezing your upper back tightly, pull your shoulder blades towards your spine. As you do that, you can either tighten your fist or keep your fingers open. Again, let's do 8 to 10 repetitions of that. Moving into the swimmers next. Keeping both the arms and legs up, alternately keep moving your arm and leg up and down just the way you swim. This movement is called as swimmers. As you keep practicing this movement, you will be able to go faster and bigger. Relax for a bit, taking a few deep breaths, breathing into your spine. The next movement is called as the breaststroke. Lifting your arms up, make a circle and then brush your hands back, bring them back to the front. Again, let's repeat it 10 times, and as you do that, keep pushing your pubic bone into the floor, maintaining an engaged core. Next exercise is called as hip crunches or glute crunches. For that, bring your heels together, place your hands under your chin, and as you exhale, you lift up both your legs so that your thighs are off the mat. When you do that, you will be crunching your hips, your hamstrings, and your lower back. Let's do again 10 repetitions of that. As you finish this, bring your hands under your shoulder now and moving into back extensions. As you exhale, gently lift up your upper body, but do not lose the contact of your pubic bone with the mat. While doing this, maintain a chin tuck and do not hyperextend your neck. Let's finish 10 repetitions of that and then move into swan dives. For swan dive, move your hands right next to your chest. Push the floor and extend your upper body. And as you bring your upper body back to the floor, lift up your legs. Keeping your abdomen tight, rock on your abdomen. This move may take a little bit of practice before you are able to master it. 10 repetitions and we are done for today. So those were a few exercises for your back, and if you do these regularly, your posture will become better over a period of time. Your range of motion will also improve and your spinal mobility will be better, your back will be stronger. If you liked today's workout, don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next episode. Till then, bye bye.